Alright guys, so today I'm going to show y'all the first time I rode a dirt bike with the clutch and everything. This was my first time, and I'm pretty sure it was a Surron, not sure, but it was an e-bike. So hope you enjoyed the video. Comment how I did for my first time. I could have done better, but I was nervous not to break my friend's bike, so let's get into the video. Let me also say this was recorded a year before right now. Right now it is winter currently. And hopefully we get snow so I can make a video. But let's go. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you want me to go back there, try to do some wheelies, and try maybe to do a jump on this bike or just learn more, go in the comments and say, go back to that house so I can convince my mom, because she won't let me go back. But subscribe, and I'll see y'all next time. Tell me what I should do and if I should bring the guy with the quad back. And I'm getting a GoPro for Christmas, so better footage coming out. I'll see y'all next time.
Yeah, I'm on my